I'm so happy about it, but like I really wanted this one so badly, but it's okay. You have to wish for something and then it will come true. Whoa, I have to take off his head off to like clean up this. Whoa. Wait, that's a lot of hair. That's like my long black hair. Saba Rainbow Day. Today we're going to open the L.O.L. Snow Surprise Baby. Because it's a snow, it's a Christmas series. Let me open. Whoa, it's like ripping out it so easily. Ow. That hurted. Now where is the other zip? Now let's zip. My hands are sweaty, not head. I'm not using my brain for us to concentrate. Whoa. Let's open up. Zip. And then let's open up this surprise. There's a secret message. What is this? I don't know. Now our two L.O.Ls has the secret message. Now we're going to open zip this. I'm saying zip. Cool. That's so cool. Oh, the other zipper. Look at this. Check it out. Cool. It's so cool. I can see my reflection. Now I'm going to zip. Whoa. That's so cool. Yeah. Whoa. That's so amazing. Oh, it doesn't. Wait, I can make a snowman. I realized that the baby one can always make the snowman. Where's the stickers? I think it's in the bag actually. You can make a snowman. Cool. I'm going to make a snowman. Now we have our surprises, our baggies. We have some stickers to make a snowman. And we have some instructions and a L.O.L. patch. Let's see if there's only L.O.L. Look, this can match with this one. I have an L.O.L. that is like this. This can be the parents. Okay, I hope I get this. First, we're going to open this surprise. Ooh. What is this tiny? I have no clue what it is. I think it's like a wristband. Oh, it is a wristband. I wonder who I'm going to get. Is it a... Oh, some tiny shoes. Adorable. Aw, so adorable. Okay, now let me open up this surprise. Wait, oh, this is so... It's a monkey. Wait. Mom, can you put this in water? It doesn't came off only with water. I wanted a monkey for ages. Monkeys are silly. Whoa, this is a big giant thing. First, let me make my snowman. And then, okay, I'm going to grab a little monkey. Now we have to bring on some water and take off the fur. Okay, now I'm going to finish off with some noses. Let me see how she looks. She looks so adorable. Okay, Now we have to bring on this little guy to the bathtub. Let's go. Now we're going to bring on him and turn him into the water. Whoa, his tail is... It feels so weird taking out fur on this little monkey. I never take off fur on anyone for my whole life. Oh, the little monkey is so adorable. I like cats and monkeys. His tail. Oh my god, that's so cute. That looks like my dad's hair. That looks like my dad's hair. My dad has a lot of hair. That's why I call him a dad. A daddy hair. Get off, you hair. This is like so cool, but I don't like taking fur on anyone. It's like so mean. I see his red strings. I'm trying to get this off. Oh, maybe just a hair part. Oh, whoa. That's so cool. I cannot stop saying adorable. Look at these tiny hands. Maybe I can do this for my L.O.L video. Some people have monkey pets, like Zoo has it. If I had a monkey at my house, it will be crazy and ruin my YouTube channel. True, monkeys are like ooh ooh ah ah ooh ooh ah ah and want banana. Bananas. Let me put him in water. So I'm so happy that I got this one. I'm so happy about it, but like I really wanted this one so badly, but it's okay. You have to wish for something and then it will come true. Whoa, I have to take off his head off to like clean up this. Whoa. Wait, that's a lot of hair. That's like my long black hair. I have long black hair. I thought it was brown. Everyone thought it was brown, but it was not brown. Ew, this is disgusting. Oh my god, it's making me like so weird out. Now we have this little adorable monkey. Whoa, accident. It dropped on my hands. You know, wait, this is a change color. Look, it says the change color
Now
mark.
this cute, adorable L.O.L is so adorable, and he has a beautiful hat that doesn't belong to him because it's not fitting on him, and he has a little tongue sticking out like this. He's so adorable. Or maybe he's like, Whoa, he's going crazy.
This is what the monkey looks like in his bathroom. Cool. Colors. Now let's go on the dipping.
Now. Oh, he's so adorable with his... I wonder if he spits. What is he doing? Wait, something comes out of his neck. Ooh. Now let's put him in this tub. Wait for it. Wait for adorables happen.
Did you see that? He was like, look.
Maybe if I shake it, it will do it. Or maybe if I grab some water and spill it. Maybe if I do loop-the-loops. Let me see his... hope you like my LOL video. Because this is the whole family. Wait, who is this monkey's name? Who is his name? Touch Monkey. And this is all of this family's mom. This is a 6 years old. 4 years old, because I know how to say 4 years old. She says, like me, hello, and then like she says, hello. That's a baby. Oh my god, this has to be a monkey. Hello, hello, hello. Monkeys like that. And this is a girl that, this probably looks like a girl that goes like, like that. I'm not really saying that to you because I love you guys so much. You're the sweetest fan. Goodbye, and I hope you like my L.O.L unboxing family show. Goodbye. Subscribe for more videos.